Hey, how's everybody doing today? This is Matt with Air Force Roofing. I am in Plantation, Florida. I'm out here looking at a shingle and flat roof that we are going to bid on. I just want to show you guys a couple things. Alright, so this homeowner has a screen enclosure. So what we're going to have to do here is have them disconnect this so that we can get the fascia inspected. If there's any rotten fascia, we're going to need to replace that. Over here where the slope meets the flat roof, we're going to tie all this in with valley metal. So what that does is this reinforces this area so there's no leaks over time, and then also these valleys we're going to put valley metal in there as well. The other thing that we're going to do is this roof to wall connection. We're going to have to make sure that the flashing is in good standing. If not, we're going to replace it with 5x7L flashing and then come back and redo the stucco. But we only do that if that's necessary. So all this will be replaced. I'm going to give them an option if they want to do ridge vent here at the top. And that's pretty much it. Just a couple details on a shingle and flat roof. See you guys at the next one.